Hello friends, welcome to Open Source. We make, innovate, act. Let's unbox the joystick module for Arduino. Components required are joystick module, Arduino Uno, cable, jumper wires, 4 LED lights, 4 220 ohm resistors, 2 servo motor and 1 breadboard. When we hear the word joystick module, the first thing come to our mind is the game controllers. The joystick module for Arduino is nothing but two potentiometers that allow us to measure the movement of the stick in 2D. Potentiometers are variable resistors and, in a way, they act as sensors, providing us with a variable voltage depending on the rotation of the device around its shaft. The kind of program that we need to monitor the joystick has to make a polling to two of the analog pins. We can send these values back to the computer, but then we face the classic problem that the transmission over the communication port has to be made with 8-bit values, while our DAC, digital to analog converter, that is measuring the values from the potentiometers in the joystick, has a resolution of 10 bits. Our sensors are characterized with a value between 0 and 1024. First, connect the ground pin of joystick module to the ground pin of Arduino. Then connect the VRX pin to the A0 pin of Arduino. Then connect the VRY pin to the A1 pin of Arduino. Then connecting the signal pin of joystick module to the digital pin 9 of Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of module to the VCC pin of Arduino. Connect the cable to Arduino to upload the code. Code for primary experiment is very simple. First, initialize the pins, setting the pin mode and setting the baud rate, writing the digital pin to high. Then taking the analog reading and printing the values to the serial monitor. The serial monitor reading will be like this. You can find the wiring schematic and code on the GitHub link on the description below. You can buy this 37-in-1 sensor for Atal Tinkering Labs from the Tomson Electronics. Contact details are given in the description.